Vince here, and I'm here to show you about the Windchop windmill. And trust me, you'll love my windmill. A solution to lowering your ever-rising hydro bill? What is it? It's the simplest way to harvest natural energy. The wind is simply caught by these nice blades as kinetic energy and is transformed into useful energy. Are you tired of choking on car fumes? Not being able to swim in your own lakes? I am. It's about time people began to use a smarter source of energy. 2 blows and TV's on. BAM! Once you buy one of these puppies, it's absolutely free, as you ain't gotta pay for no wind, not to mention wind is everywhere. At a measly 14 kilometers an hour wind speeds, electricity is produced. Now look at this. Each one of these babies is expected to have an output of 2 million kilowatts per year. Now space. How much is one of these babies going to take up? Ask yourself this. Can you fit a power plant in your backyard? Didn't think so. But I guarantee you can fit one of these. Do you remember the blackout in the summer of '02? Did you find yourself bored out of your mind? Funny, because I didn't. I had a Windchop, which allowed me to live in an air-conditioned house full of electricity. Pardon? We have a caller? It appears we have a caller from Lincoln Park named Antoine Dobson.
Hey Vince, long-time fan. Love the slap shop in ShamWow. Before we start, can I ask if these wind chops are made by the Germans? They make the best stuff.
You bet they do. Now what's your question?
Okay, so don't the presence of wind turbines greatly increase the number of birds killed?
Yeah? And? Next caller. It actually appears we have another caller. This is T-Pain from Los Angeles, California. Hi, Pain. What's your question?
The Windchop seems great, but you never outline the price. What does each individual unit cost?
Oh, how did I forget? The Windchop is actually only 6 easy payments of $100,000, and we do accept Visa.
Pardon?
Sorry? 6 easy payments of $100,000. Next caller. We actually have another call. Next on the line, from Jamaica, Usain Bolt.
Hey there, my brother. Does the power production of each turbine depend on its location? Some regions do not receive the same amount of wind as others.
What do you live in? The desert? The Windchop harnesses a very efficient electricity production unit, which allows for the production of electricity in almost all environments, Usain.
No, brother. I live in Jamaica.
Okay. The last caller of the segment is Jeff Henderson from Oshawa, Ontario.
Hey there, Vince. Is it true that a power station produces much more power than a wind turbine? Why would anyone decide to switch, as it would cost 10 times more for the same amount of power?
Strong wind, gentle wind, weak wind, all winds. The Windchop chops it all. Now look at this. You buy a Windchop, and it's like buying electricity insurance. You're basically securing your happiness. Just think about it.
Hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, because they raping everybody out here. You can run and tell that, oh boy.